Hi, this is English 9A Credit 4, Lesson 5, the performance task. So you had a preview of the performance task, and it's talking about utopian versus dystopian society. So using the text, Lesson 1 activity, and at least one more source, you will write a comparison between utopian and dystopian societies. Please note, it is not necessary to have completed reading the novel at this point. Okay, so your prompt is write an essay that compares and contrasts utopian versus dystopian. And then the product, identify the differences and similarities between utopian and dystopian societies by writing a compare and contrast multiple paragraph essay. Okay, so in order to better understand the futuristic society portrayed in the Hunger Games, you will write an essay in which you compare the similarities and differences between utopian and dystopian societies. You should use any information provided in this credit and in the text, and in addition, use one more source. This could be a print or online source. Your essay should be 4 to 5 paragraphs in length and include specific details explaining the similarities and the differences. Refer back to Lesson 1 background to begin your research. Okay, so you have a few resources throughout this packet in the first lesson and your activity that you did in that lesson and your compare and contrast model that you did. You can also research online, but it does need to be 4 to 5 paragraphs, okay? You need at least 2 sources. It needs to be MLA format, and you need to include quotes or examples from the Hunger Games, okay? Please pull out examples and quotes from the book to get your full points, okay? This is your brainstorm page. So complete your own research on utopian and dystopian societies and fill out the boxes below with at least 3 facts about each society. So this left side is facts about utopia and the right side is facts about dystopia. And these should be used in your essay, okay? If they're good research and good examples, I would use them. And then this is kind of an example of how to write an outline. So you can go ahead and fill it out here, just writing an outline of what you're going to write about, so it's easier as you write out your essay. You kind of can refer to this as kind of like a map on how to start it. So your introduction paragraph, your paragraph 1 is about utopia, your paragraph 2 is about dystopia, paragraph 3 is the similarities and differences, and then your conclusion. This is your editing checklist, so make sure you go through and edit your work, because you will, if you haven't typed up your rough draft, you need to type up for your final draft, and so use this page as an editing checklist. This is just a guideline page of how to write in MLA format, so refer to it when you start typing. Then this is your rubric for your essay.